Hello. We are now going to show you on this video how to edit a lot of the tabs. So you make sure you come over here where it says tab content, and if you want to edit, you just click on whichever tab you want to edit. Now the tabs are broken up into multiple different types. You have, and if you go to tabs, you can actually see the type. You have email forms, you have content forms and content tabs, you got calendar and events, you got website tabs, picture gallery, etc. And I'm going to explain to you each one of these second we go in here and start editing. So we're going to go to the first one, Partners in Ed. That is a content tab. What it stands for is what you see, what you get editor. So anything you do in here will automatically show up. The second you save it, will automatically show up live on your app. So let's actually go to athletics. You'll see there's different categories we made. Baseball, basketball, football. You can add any new categories you wanted just by clicking Add New. You can put in your category here. So we're going to show you one we made. Let's go to baseball. Now, first thing we want to do is show you we can change the text. We can change the text and background colors. If you uncheck use global colors, click on the background. We can change it to whatever background we want. Just hit update, and we can change the text to whatever we want. So now you come here and you would type in your information here. You see we put baseball out here. You can attach pictures right here. You can just click and drag and drop a picture, or click it and you can choose it on your computer or your phone if you're editing from your phone. You can insert videos. You can insert files, which include PDF files, any kind of files you want. And if you really know a lot of code, you can actually change this over to code view, and you can come in here and put straight HTML code in here. If you wanted to say maybe insert a Google Calendar or any kind of special coding you need, you could do it in here. And then you simply click Save Changes, and then you can come over here. Let's go down to the Athletics tab. You'll see. Click it, and you'll see right here the baseball info here. So another type of tab is a website tab. What that does is just links to an external site. One of the ones we have right now, which we can show you, is either Parent Portal. And now say you wanted to link to your Parent Portal page on your website. You simply click Add New Web. You would type in what you want to link to right here. And that would, if you want to allow people to be able to print from the web page, you click this. If you want it to be more compatible with all the phones, click this one where it says Best of Both Worlds, use Safari. Or if you want to just use the standard built-in web browser we have, leave both of those unchecked and just hit Save. And then when somebody clicks on this tab, they will be able to go straight to the page you just put in there. And you can have multiple. You can set up multiple web pages under that. Another web link we have right now is a shop page. It goes to our shop system. If you come over here and you see shop, you can click it, and it'll actually take you right to our shop that we just set up for a demo. Let's go back. Another type of tab in here is called an email form tab. There's email forms. All it is, you set up a form, people fill out the data, it sends you to whatever email address that you put in here all the content. At the same time, it also stores that content right here under submitted data. So I'm going to show you, we have one in here right now called Ask the Principal. So we're going to go ahead and show you how that works. If you go to say Ask the Principal, you'll see we set a default one in here by now, so we can just edit that. You'd go to Form Properties. This is the email address that right now anybody fills out that form, that email is going to go to. You can also put a comma here and put multiple email addresses. You put your form title, and the subject right here. Put the message you want to tell everybody and the successful submission message. Then you can go to add field, and this is where you can add any kind of questions you want. So you can put a line of text if you want. If you want to add, you can put name, time, address, phone numbers, anything you want. And if it's a custom form or a custom question you want to ask, you would just put, like I said, you'd put either single line of text or paragraph. You just click it, and you'll see right here you can change the name of it. So you can put parent name or anything you wanted this question right here to be. And then all you have to do is hit save form, and it's going to update right here. And now if somebody was to fill this out, let me show you. If you go to ask the principal, say somebody fills this out, and they submit it, I'm going to actually get this submission right to my email address because I put it in there. But at the same time, if you come to submitted data, you will see I just got that entry right here. One entry under ask the principal. And I could click on it over here, click the drop down, and you can see all the information that was just submitted. It'll tell you the time, it'll tell you the email address, everything they filled out, everything's going to be right here. And you can always come at any time, click on the export, and you can export the whole list. This is very useful for if you're using this system for report absence or request early release or maybe report bulletin, because then you can go in there and download all the lists at one time. Picture galleries are very straightforward. You can either connect them to your Instagram. You can import a gallery from, say, your Facebook or from a website, and it'll connect and it'll pull pictures right off for you. Or you can just add a new gallery right here and just upload whatever pictures you want, name the gallery, and hit save. And you can add as many pictures in there as you'd like. Another important tab is the Events tab. This is an event calendar. To add event, you simply click Add Single Event. You would choose the start time. Let's say it's going to be at 6 p.m. Let's say it's going to end on the 29th at, actually let's say the 28th also, and it's going to end at, say, 9 p.m. Make sure you choose your correct time zone, which if it's set up in your app, you shouldn't have to choose this. It automatically should go to your time zone, but make sure you always have the right time. Let's say school dance. Dance info here. You could actually put flyers in here. You can put any kind of HTML code. You can put pictures, anything you want in here to, advertise or talk about this event that's coming up. And then if the event's going to be at your school, you can come right here where it says Use Imported Location from Contact tab. You'll click that. Right now, it doesn't have it in here. If it did, it would pop up and give you the address to choose from. And then you just hit Save Changes. If you're not having it at your school, if you want to have it, say, a different location, you could come down here. And let's just say we're going to pick a different location. We can actually type it in manually, or if you want to click on your map, you can do it that way. It will automatically find it for you. It'll find it for you. You click it, and it's going to log everything, and you just hit save. And what's nice about that is you can come right over here. Somebody can click on that event, and you'll see October 2017. I did not actually, let's see, school dance, and save it, and update settings. So then you'll be able to come over here and see anything coming up. Alright, so that takes us to social media. Is actually just another website tab. What that will do is link to all your social media accounts, which you can come in here. You simply press add new web. You'll put in the, say it's your Facebook. You can take and put the exact link to your school right here and just hit save. And when somebody comes in here, they're going to be able to see the Facebook. They're going to be able to see, and then you could put your Twitter or Instagram or anything you have for your school. And it'll show up right here. They'll be able to just click there and go, and it'll go straight to your page. So those are the main types of tabs in here. All of these different tabs make up or of either content tabs, which we also call info tabs, email form tabs, picture gallery tabs, and so forth, or website tabs. Now, another important thing to remember is you can arrange the order of these any way you want. So you can just simply click and drag it, and it will rearrange the order of how it's laid out over here. Okay, that is the end of the second video. We're going to continue with one more video after this, and that's going to show you all the top features up here.